Yes, that golden goodness. That's good. For all your potatoes, you want to take a fork and poke holes in them so they don't explode. Like what happened to that one kid in Farmer Boy. On each side, 3 to 4 pokes with the fork. That with every single, see that? Now do that with every single potato. When you poke holes in all your potatoes, you want to wrap them all in tin foil, and if there's any extra openings, like pinch it and then push it down. You can put it right on the campfire like that. See if it's done. Okay, let's see now. Oh yes, that golden goodness. Now that I got it kind of cut open, and add some butter on it. That might be too much. You can use any seasonings or spices you want, but I'm going to use Cajun seasoning. Okay. Now I want to do the same thing with the other potatoes. Oh, a plane. Yeah, we're gonna cut this open to get the rest of the insides done. One more time. Top. That's good. Baked potatoes are one of the best camping meals ever. Want to try it? Mm-hmm. Be honest with me, do you like it? Mm-hmm. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications on the Matthew's Bushcraft YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.